Okay, more of worksheet part 2. All right, now it's giving me fractions. Well, that's going to be really helpful with the circles, okay? White is a half. And black is a fourth. And the other three divide everything up into 1/12, 1/12, and 1/12. So, red, blue, and green. Okay, fractions really helps with making the pie, but it sure doesn't help with this. Now, obviously there's no way to smoosh these together. Okay, this is why pies are really good, is because it breaks up the monotony of having a bunch of bar charts and histograms. But, you know, they're really good when the x-axis doesn't need to be labeled with numbers. Okay, how tall do I make them? All right, if I go 2,000 times 1/12, well, I can't times by 1/12. 2,000 divided by 12 would be the same thing. Because, right, if I go 2,000 divided by 2, that's going to be 1,000. That's definitely a half. So, 2,000 divided by 12, 160, I'm going to call it 167. It has to be in round numbers, because how else could you ask that number of people that? This half of 2,000 is 1,000. Okay, so a fourth of it would be 500. And this is 167. And this is like 166, because it has to add up to 2,000. All right. 1,500 and something down here. Okay, so red, again, you're making a bar chart. They don't have to touch each other. White, black, blue, and green. Again, I love the fractions. It sure makes the pies easy. Okay, half of it is the discount store. And then a fourth of it is fast food. And then it's an eighth and a 16th and a 16th. So there's the eighth, and then squish in half again is the 16th. Okay, so the eighth was department. And then there's the upscale and the cafe. Okay. Discount, department, upscale, fast food, and cafe. Okay, and I got to do the same thing again. How many is supposed to go in each one? Well, you got to divide by these things. So if I go 1,000 divided by 1/2, okay, that's going to be 500. That's going to be my tallest one. If I go 1,000 divided by a fourth, that's going to be 250. 1,000 divided by an eighth, 125. And then there's another 125. It's like 62.5. So one of them can be 62, one of them can be 63. So I need this to get up to 500, 250, 125, 63. Okay, I just kept dividing in half. Discount, 500. Department, 125. Upscale, 63. Fast food, 250. And the cafe is 63. Okay, so that's how to do these. As I said, if you're getting stuck on them, you can always just go and look at my answers to these. I've got all the answers. I think there's three bar charts and 3 pie charts, and you can look at what I did, and then you can copy that. Or if you already know how to use Excel, then you could just do that and copy what you see there. Okay, or you could just do Excel and take a picture of your computer with your phone and send me that. Okay, so it's more of the real life version of how to do these, not the nitpicky statisticsy way to do these. So if you can make nice pretty pictures somehow, that's really what the point is.